Hey guys, Mark McMahon Real Estate. Today we're going to do the final walkthrough on our Torrance project. It's all staged. The girls were here staging all day. The guys are still out back working on the landscape, but I want you guys to take a look at what we've done here. And if you want to see what it looked like when we started and during construction, there's a link to a couple of videos over here. So guys, please like this, please subscribe to it, and if you want to make Allie's day, sign up for notifications. Let's take a look. Come on in. It's big transformation, obviously. Every house is. Pretty much all we did construction-wise here is take out this kitchen wall. This was a galley kitchen. We took the wall out to open it up because it's a small house. But I'm very pleased with what we accomplished here. We kept the paneling, and I'm glad we did. So a lot of people want to take this down, and I think it adds a lot of dimension to the walls if it's not popping out. I like this if it's done well and you can paint it and make it look good. We chose not to stage these 2 bedrooms. Saved us about $1,000, 800 bucks, which doesn't sound like much, but we did minimal amount of stuff in here. We did new windows, door locks. This bedroom, we did the same thing, minimal work, but I like it. It's exactly what I wanted to have done. You know, obviously handles go a long ways with this kind of stuff. And bathroom looks good. Toilet is flushing. Excellent. We ended up retiling this. Most of it, one wall was done, so we went ahead and tiled the rest, and then we went ahead and sprayed it. I normally don't do that, but this tub was in decent shape, so we kept it. You tiled? I mean, we did new toilet, new sink, new faucet, new cabinet. Everything's new in here, but it was a really simple. That bathroom was really simple. Bathroom like that shouldn't cost any more than, you know, 2,500 bucks to do like that. Kitchen is the same layout it was before, but like I said, other than that wall and the bar, and we just new cabinets. Yuko picked some nice cabinet pulls. We got some new appliances in. I don't do refrigerators on houses anymore because I don't like the way they stick out, and the narrower ones are more money, and everything is a consideration when you're flipping a house. So we just leave these empty now. This is cool. So we couldn't find a table to match this. This slab of wood was sitting in the shed out back, so when we're done here, I'm actually going to refinish this and make Yuko a coffee table out of this, which is something I used to do in a previous life. This room, I think they did a great job on. I mean, seriously, if this was my house, I freaking hate TVs above the fireplace, but this one's low enough. I would probably put the biggest TV I could get here, and I'd put an L-shaped sofa here with a big coffee table. This looks better for staging because it's less is more, but that's what I would do in here. So then out here, So we didn't do a lot, well, we did a lot out here, but it doesn't look like it. We painted, we took the water heater out of there and put a tankless on the other side and made that area over there for a stackable washer and dryer. So the washer and dryer was in the master bedroom before. There was believe it or not, a laundry room in the master bedroom. And we made that a walk-in closet, moved the washer dryer here. So this was the master bedroom. It was a tiny, so it was a big laundry room here. That we moved this wall. So now we've got a walk-in closet. I'm sure whoever buys this house will probably put rods across here so they'll have more. But I love having a window and a walk-in closet because they're so dark. And then this is the master bath. And this is it. So we ended up moving this wall. The wall was here, we moved it over. The sink was over there, the toilet was over here, and it was just like a little tiny corner shower. So we maximized this as much as we could, and I think we did a good job. And now let me grab the keys and we'll go out in the office. Okay. So, hey, hotter than a pistol in here. So, this was just a storage shed sitting on top of the concrete when we started, and we turned it into a really cool little office that I would absolutely adore having at home. But this is, alas, not my home. So this will be somebody else's really cool office. I'm a little jealous. So looks like they're done back here. This is what the finished product looks like. We've done a little staging here. We've done, come on back here, I want to show you this. So we put in sod. We actually filled up the pond, which is cool. We painted that, filled it up, and the waterfall, we'll turn that on as soon as we get an extension cord that's long enough. And the backyard's completely different now. And squirrel! Squirrel! I see a squirrel! Look it! What was I talking about? I don't remember what I was saying. Anyway, so we did a couple of little things back here. If you guys remember, we had an astoundingly large pile of rocks back here, so we actually creatively placed it all over here because, I mean, many tons of boulders. We made a fire pit. We made all these paths. There was some rocks here before, but we actually made all these paths, detailed it. Oh, come over here. I want to show you the side too. We're using a lot of rocks. We ended up actually rocking the side yard here. So we really rocked it. On this one, this job, we really rocked it. Fist bump. Path to nowhere, actually to the hose bib. And we ended up just setting up a volleyball net. We had a lot of big area back here that we had to fill up with something. I didn't want to spend the money on sod because I don't know what people want to do back here. More than likely grass, but we'll let them decide. Guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. You can do this too. Please don't think you can't. We got this house off the MLS. Didn't cost us anything to get it. No advertising, no marketing. We got it off the MLS. Anyway, if you enjoyed it, please hit the like button. Please subscribe, make Allie's day, and sign up for notifications, and I'll see you next time.
Hey guys, check out these 2 videos. They're really going to help you on your investment journey. I'm also on Instagram. Tons of great video content there. Really good stuff. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time.